Hello everyone, my name is Henry Ramirez and today I will be talking about my PBL Level 1 House Chore Project Limited. Problem/purpose. For our class of engineering by design, we had to create some kind of contraption that we could use to help us do a house chore quicker and more efficient. But we had to create this contraption using limited resources and with limited time, about 10 to 15 minutes. Hence the name House Chore Project Limited. Materials. Like stated before, this was a limited project and we had limited materials to work with. And these materials were 5 paper clips, 5 folders, 20 centimeters worth of string, 10 paper clips, 5 plastic cups, 5 straws, 1 newspaper, 20 by 20 centimeters worth of cloth, 2 pencils, 1 yardstick, 10 paper plates, some foil, glue stick, 10 cotton swabs, 2 paintbrushes, 1 sponge, 20 centimeters worth of tape, 5 pieces of paper, and 2 empty bottles of water. Research. Since we had a limit in time, we could not research any possible chores we could use to improve upon or make more efficient. Procedures. So after entering into the class, Mr. Cepeda gave us about 5 minutes to draw and sketch out a rough sketch of our contraption for the House Chore Project Limited, and to do a materials checklist. In the next few slides, I will be explaining our design and how it works. Also, the procedures taken to create this model/prototype. Almost forgetting, the chore my group decided to attack was feeding your dog. So we created an automatic dog feeder. In this slide, you can see a rough sketch I did on my tablet on our automatic dog feeder. And in this slide, you can see a more detailed drawing of the feeder. The box-shaped thing is the body of the feeder. This box was created using 2 folders. Then we placed 1 plate on top of the box to create a platform where you would place a cup, and in that cup you would place dog food. Connected to the cup is a string tied to a straw, which your dog would pull on to make the food fall onto another plate located in front of the box. Now, at first, during the first 5 minutes of brainstorming in class, my group couldn't come up with any ideas on how to attack this project. And so, we wasted all 5 minutes freaking out on what to do. After time was up, we had to begin building our prototype. That's when Gio, one of my group members, suggested a dog feeder. So we went off on that idea. We began with building the body of the feeder, using folders like stated before. We then proceeded to tape a plate on top of the box to create the platform, where we would place a cup, like stated before. Now in that cup, you would place the dog food, then we would tape a piece of string to the cup, and that string is also connected to a straw. In front of the box is a plate where we would place the straw so that when your dog was hungry, he could pull the straw and cause the food to fall onto another plate. We barely were able to finish the prototype in time, but another concern arose. The prototype had to work. But thankfully, our project worked and didn't break on us when we presented it to the entire class and our teacher, Mr. Cepeda. So there you have it, my PBL Level 1 House Chore Project Limited. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. This is Henry Ramirez, signing out.